Hello guys, welcome to iTech Studios. Today I'm diving into a list of super useful Windows shortcuts, ones you may not know yet but will wish you'd found sooner. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button because this really helps me a lot. Ever wondered what secrets your keyboard is hiding? Let's unlock some powerful keyboard shortcuts for Windows users that will make you feel like a tech wizard. Ready? Let's dive in. The first shortcut is the Windows key. Press the Windows key alone to instantly bring up the Start menu. Next up is Windows plus E. Press Windows plus E to open the File Explorer. In Windows 10, it also launches the Quick Access panel by default. The next shortcut is Windows plus D. This shortcut quickly minimizes all open windows to show your desktop. Press it again to hide the desktop and go back to where you left off. Need a quick peek without switching? Hold Windows plus comma for a desktop preview. Great for a quick stealthy check if someone walks by. Imagine you are working and someone walks by. You can press and hold the Windows key plus comma for a quick look at your desktop to check for reminders or widgets. When you release the keys, everything returns back to where it was. The next shortcut is Windows plus tab. Windows plus tab is your key to task view. It lets you see all open apps as titles and navigate easily with arrow keys. You can even switch between virtual desktops for a more organized workspace. The next shortcut is Windows plus M. Press Windows plus M to minimize every open window. And to restore minimized windows, combine the Windows key plus Shift key plus M to restore the windows you just minimized. It's as simple as ABC. The next shortcut is Windows plus Kill. Press Windows plus Kill to bring up the search arm. Perfect for finding apps. This is the fastest way to look for apps installed on your PC instead of scrolling through a long list of apps. It's especially helpful when you are unsure where the app is located. The next shortcut is Windows plus T. Press Windows plus T to cycle through open apps in the taskbar. When you press Windows plus T, it highlights the first icon on your taskbar and lets you cycle through all the open apps pinned or active on the taskbar. Press Enter to open your preferred pinned app. It's a great shortcut for accessing apps without cluttering your screen. The next shortcut is Windows plus R. Combine Windows plus R to launch the Run dialog box and open programs quickly. It gives you quick access to programs, files, folders or even specific system tools by typing their names or paths. It's a shortcut for speeding up tasks without navigating through menus or File Explorer. The next shortcut is Windows plus B. Press Windows plus B to move focus to the notification area, then the arrow keys to toggle through the icons in the notification area, and press Enter key to interact with them. Next up is Windows plus A. Press the Windows key plus A to access the Action Center in Windows 11 for quick settings and notifications. Use it to stay on top of alerts and manage key features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and display brightness effectively. The next shortcut is Windows plus H. Tired of typing? Simply press the Windows key plus H to activate voice typing. Just speak and your words appear on the screen. Perfect for emails, notes, or long documents. The next shortcut is Windows plus V, and this is a must-know shortcut. Press Windows plus V to pull up your clipboard history so you can see all items you've copied, not just the most recent ones. Scroll and select and paste anything you've copied before, up to 25 items back. Pin the most important ones and they will stay even if you reboot. The next shortcut is Windows Shift plus R. Press Windows Shift plus R to record your screen with audio. Perfect for creating tutorials, capturing gameplay, or saving video calls for later. And to do this, just draw a rectangle from the left top corner of your laptop screen to cover the whole screen, and then click on Start on the toolbar of the recorder. Then the application will begin to record your screen. The next shortcut is Windows plus key. Want to zoom in? Simply press the Windows key plus the plus key, and then this will open the magnifier or activate the magnifier. Keep pressing the Windows plus key to zoom closer, or use Windows plus minus key to zoom out. This is ideal for zooming into presentations or checking small details. Customize the zoom level in settings and close it anytime with Windows plus escape key. Next up is Windows plus P. If you are using an external monitor or projector, Press Windows plus P to toggle between display modes like duplicate, extended or second screen only. The next shortcut is Windows plus period. Press Windows plus period to open the emoji picker. Browse emojis and GIFs, or search for a specific one to add color to your text. It's quick and easy, perfect for messaging with personality. Now, on to browser shortcuts. Open a new tab by pressing Ctrl plus T on your keyboard. Ctrl plus K jumps you straight into the browser search bar. No mouse needed. And if you accidentally close a tab, just use Ctrl Shift plus T to reopen it in the same order. The next shortcut is Windows plus U. Use Windows plus U to open the utility manager for accessibility settings. It's very quick and easy. The next shortcut is Windows plus L. If you step away, secure your screen with Windows plus L. It locks your screen, keeping apps running while securing your workspace. Perfect for privacy lovers. The next shortcut is a shutdown shortcut. Want to shut down fast? Simply press Windows plus X, then U, and another U does the job. But for a cleaner restart, consider disabling fast startup in Power Options. I covered this in another video. You can look for the link in the description section. That's it. These are some of the best lesser known Windows shortcuts. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite or if there is one I missed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and I will catch you in the next video.